Now let us start the part 6 of Linux commands. These commands were based on permissions and user management. So they are used to control the access and security of an ownership. Okay. So let's start the first command, sudo space, and you can type the command. So I am typing apt update. So it will run the apt update as an admin, right? So for system level changes, this command is required. Okay, for system level changes, this command is required. Sudo space apt space update, so it will get updated. So let's wait for a few seconds till it get updated. So it was installing, and yes, this was completed. Okay, so next command is su space, and to this command is used when you want to switch to another user. So here I am using su space root. It will not do anything because we are already in root, so it will not do anything as we already in the root user. Next command chmod space 755 space the name of the file. I'm giving anything, you can give anything. I have give script.sh. So here 755 defines, it was a permission. What it mean is owner, group and others. Owner have the access to read, write and execute. Group has the access to read and execute, and others have the right to read and execute. So this makes the file executable for everyone but writable only by the owner. Okay, so this mean owner, group and others. So owner has the right to read, write and execute, but other two groups and others will have only the permission towards read and execute. Only owner has the available. Owner only has the writable command. Only the owner can do that. The owner only has a permission to do that. So it will change the file permissions. If I click enter, nothing will happen. So let us see how can we know whether it was, how to verify this. ls space minus l space, what was the file we have used? Script.sh. So here you can see we have got rwx. RWX means read, write and execute. Okay, this was the for the owner. And then next uh, RX, that means read and execute. This is for group. And then again read X, this was for the others. Okay, so the owner has the accessibility for read, write and execute. Group has the accessibility for read and execute, and others also has the accessibility to read and execute, not to write. Okay, so this is how we can use. And then next command is chmod space user. So user is to group and then file name. So how to know the name of the user? To know the name of the user, use this command, who am I. So when you know the when you use this command, you will get a name. This is the name of the user. Okay, the name of the user is root. And how to know the name of the group? So to check the name of the group, type groups. So here you got root. So the name of the user is group, and the name of the user is root, and the name of the groups is also root. So chmod space username is root is to group name is root space the name of the file is script dot. You can take anything. I'll take file.txt. So nothing has executed. So as I told you that to verify you have to use this command. So here the file name I have wrote is file.txt. So here you can see the owner has read write accessibility permission, and the groups has only the permission towards a read, and others has only the permission towards a read. Okay, so this is how we can know for whom what are the permissions were declared to everyone. Okay, and then next, um, if you want to change only the group ownership only, then you can chgrp group space, the name of the group is root, and the file I'm going to use here is file.txt. So nothing has changed, right? So to verify, so here also the same for this file, only read and write uh, for for owner, and only read for groups, and only read for others. They are only the permissions. Okay, so next, if you want to see all the currently logged in users, you have to type the command who. So there were no currently logged in users, so I did not got anything. So this is all about the permission based commands, permissions and user management based commands.